baba. Bisera bino sikutegeera.
Sera yonna kyenswama.
Olaba ekiwala
ekiwala ekimbonyaabonya muganda wa.
Kimpitako
bwe kibigula kikola ki?
Kati nga lwaki tokiga?
Kya luzungu.
Nze mmanyi oluzungu.
Omanyi oluzungu?
Nasoma. Naye okyali. Sokola malayika eyo bannange.
Yono.
Hi.
Hi. A moment, madam.
What?
Yeah, moment.
Yes, please.
Somebody wants to talk to you.
How? What is this?
Hi.
Hi.
How is your life?
Good. How's your?
That you beat him.
You do what?
You beat him.
What?
Yeah.
I have something like
She's saying that he loves you.
Loves me?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
It's not my class. Look at him.
That he loves you.
He loves me?
Yeah.
But you look like a poor man.
No,
Look
he's
at
not
him.
poor. He's not poor. Gambye mbotunula okubeera obuvunaanyizibwa.
Buli kimu kyayagala kyonna.
That everything you want,
Mm-hmm.
he will give you.
This one?
Yeah.
Doesn't even have a car.
Nti onaagula emmotoka.
Emmotoka eriye ya jjajja.
He has his grandmother's car.
His grandmother's car. What about his? His.
Nti ate yo yagikuwa jjajjaawo.
Yanga anzinawo piki. Mugambe
that he has.
One.
He has his
car.
Naye kaakati nkoze ntya okuddamu okumulaba.
That he doesn't want to see you.
What?
A moment. He doesn't want to see you.
So, can I go?
Gambe. Njala kundagira waawe.
That you are very, very stupid.
What?
Yeah.
This is saying that?
Yeah.
Go, let me go.
A moment.
I don't have time for you people. Listen. I don't have time for you.
Agambye. Agenda kujja kusange wanenkya.
Wano.
Wanenkya.
Wagenda okusanga. Mugambe genda mulira kati kagenza.
That he will even get a stick and beat.
What?
He will beat.
Let me go.
Yeah,
I don't have time for you.
Agenda kusanga wano enkya kusaawa 8 mulindire wano.
Siva wano mulinze.
Mulinze wano.
Mpaka.
Paka nkya.
Mpaka.
Nkutidde.